Hi, Steve here with Cryptic Woodworks. Today, I have a confession to make. I know this isn't going to be easy. My therapist says I really have to do this if I ever want to be able to put this in the open and really get on with my life. So, here goes. I have a problem making more than one of a thing. I just don't enjoy it. There, I said it. It's out there. My therapist said I would feel a lot better after this, so let me see, do I feel any better? Not really. Like, why that? He told me I feel better. What the heck? I'm going to call him up, give him a... Rage issues? Okay, I see. So, we'll have to work on that in the future then? All right, I hear you. Yes, we'll meet up next week about that. $300 for today? Okay, I'll send the money over. Thank you. Bye. Okay, I guess I have some other issues to work out, but we'll save those for another day. Now, back to my making more than one of a thing. I mean, I'm sure I'm not alone in this matter. I mean, who wants to make one of something? And then all of a sudden you're like, hey, you know what would be really fun? I'm going to make another one of them. And then maybe another one after that. I mean, where's the fun in that? We're makers. We like to make different things. Nobody wants to make the same thing over and over again. Let's take, for instance, my cipher wheel. I've recently finished this, and it's just got this beautiful walnut edging that wraps the whole piece, these wonderfully CNC carved and paint-filled letters and symbols, plus all of these Stargate-like carvings that are on there that would just make you the absolute envy of any of your sci-fi friends if they saw it. And so here's what happens. You've got this sitting on your end table, your friends come over, and they're like, hey, that's a really nice cipher wheel. Those are awesome carvings on there. This edging, I mean, who could even make something like that? It's just incredible. How do I get one? So they show you on the back. There's the name of the person who made it. And they're like, just call him, and he'll get you as many cipher wheels as you want. So then all of a sudden, I start getting emails, and I get texts, and I get phone calls, and I get paper mails, and there's skywriting, and couriers coming by my house to drop off messages. And I start wondering, wow, am I going to make one of these? Am I going to make two of these? Am I going to make 10 of these? Am I going to make 20 of these? I'm going to be taking my shoes off to count them. Am I going to have to make 21 of these and take off even more clothing to count them? You know, where's it ever going to end? And I think, man, I'm going to be in my 90s, just surrounded by cipher wheels and wonder where my life went. But you know what? Today, we can finally put that fear aside. Because as technology has advanced, and as woodworking tools have advanced, I finally have something that will keep me from ever having to make more than one of a thing again. So let's have a look. All right, here it is. The latest and greatest from Delgunamax Woodworking, the brand new Duplicator Pro. At the moment, this is a one-of-a-kind. I'm helping them work out the kinks and find the bugs that are going on in the machine, but hopefully we're going to get this working real soon and they'll be able to start putting these out to market. So the basic premise of this tool, one goes in and two come out. I mean, you can't get much better than that in the woodworking world. Let's have a look inside. As we can see, I've got a duplicate setting here, so I can pick one or two, however much I want to make. There's this cool feature here called a time lock. Now, this isn't quite enabled yet. As I said, it's kind of still in beta at the moment. So right now, this doesn't do anything, but in the future, their goal is that you can actually duplicate a project you haven't made yet. Still trying to wrap my head around how they're going to do that, but can't wait till they can give me a firmware upgrade and we'll see how that works. But it might even be, as they've kind of described to me, you kind of have to do a lot of duplicating. It'll train the unit to think about the projects you make, and then it'll know what you're going to do. So let's give it a try. I mean, it's what I want to see happen, right? So I will take one of my trusty old cipher wheels here. We'll slide it all on into the machine. We'll close the door up and, oh no, my cipher wheel's actually too big. Wait, they added pass-through technology. Those designers thought of everything. I can open that back up, pass it on through. Ah, perfect. Little old school, but it works. So now we just flip our handle down, and we wait for the machine to do its work. Okay, sounds like it's done. Let's have a check. Bring our handle back up. We open it up and oh boy, oh boy. Oh, look at that. One cipher wheel and two cipher wheels. Oh, that is impressive. Oh, I am never going to have to make more than one of again. Yeah, just never. All I ever have to do is make one of something. You start duplicating it. Holy cow. That is darn impressive. So let's try the 2 setting. I really want to see how that works. So I'll put this fella in. We'll flip it up to the 2 setting. And once again, we'll close it. We'll flip our handle down. And we'll let the machine do its magic. Okay, sounds like it's done again. So let's bring our handle up. We'll open her up. And, well, that's kind of weird. Seems to have made 2 smaller ones. That's, that's kind of odd. I don't know what the heck went on here. You know what? Let me check the manual they sent along to me and take a look here. Let's see here. Duplicating using the 2 setting. All right, here it is. Put the item in, set the 2 setting, close the door, run the machine. Note, when using the 2 setting, the original is destroyed and 2 smaller ones are created. Is the only way this setting currently works. So make sure you weren't too attached to your original. Well, I guess I should have read that manual a bit closer at the start. So, but you know, these guys are they're pretty nice looking, and I think I'll actually still just go ahead and sell these. So it's a pretty fine job that it did on shrinking that down. So yeah, all right. All in all, I gotta say, this is just absolutely amazing. I mean, for somebody who does not like making more than one of a thing, I just don't have to worry about it anymore. So, hopefully, we'll be able to get you one of your own of these units soon. But you never know. You know, market conditions, all that fun stuff. I'll give you more news as Delguna Max updates me. So, thanks for watching, and as always, stay dusty.